Global plastic production is expected to grow by 40% in the next years. Plastic persists in the ocean and eventually accumulates in remote areas of the world, where poor rural communities struggle for the lack of recycling facilities and cannot face the cost to transport plastic waste to recycling hubs located in the cities. Poor knowledge of risks bring people to collect plastic and burn it every now and then. Developing a small, portable device for the production of fuel from plastic waste, we want to offer an alternative with a great and immediate impact on the environment. The plastic to fuel converter will be installed in remote areas, promoting a shift in social consciousness and turning waste collection into a profitable activity for local communities. Until we fully transit to renewable energies, the plastic to fuel converter represents a temporary answer to plastic pollution.